guys, welcome back. And I know you've seen my video on the impromptu lemon basil chicken, right? And that is in the oven right now. Well, we needed a side dish to come up with for finishing out that meal, okay? So I'm looking around my cabinets, my fridge, my pantry, everything, and what I've come up with is a pasta dish that is going to be a basil and garlic. I had some leftover fresh basil from my neighbor out of her garden she gave to me. And so the last bits of that are going to go into the sauce of this pasta dish. Okay, so we're finishing the pasta right now. It's got about 3 more minutes on it. And tonight I'm using a gluten-free pasta. Okay, our pasta is finished. It is ready. So we're going to take this off. But before we drain it all the way out, we're going to reserve some of that water. Okay, we're ready to make our sauce. Now for our sauce, we're going to use our olive oil, and remember that we reserved some of those drippings off of the chicken. So we're going to add that to the pan because that's a lot of wonderful flavor and we don't want to waste it. All right, in goes our garlic. And in goes our zucchini. All right, that zucchini I think is ready. We're going to test that. Oh yeah. Still a little firm to the bite. That's what we want. Okay, and that garlic's wonderful, so fragrant. Okay, so into our pan is going to go our salt and pepper. We want a good bit of fresh ground pepper in there, and then we need a little bit of our pasta water. Turn our heat back up a little bit. We're going to bring this to a nice hard simmer, and we're going to get our basil ready to go in. Now that's going to get tossed very, very quickly because we don't want to overcook that basil. We just want to bring out the flavor in that. Look at the beautiful color on that, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous already? All right. Last thing, our pasta. Now we're going to stir that around in there. We really need to toss this. And guys, you know you can easily make this a vegetarian dish or a vegan dish by just not using those chicken drippings. Just use just the olive oil. Now, for our purposes tonight, we're going to finish this with a little bit of extra olive oil and toss it with some Parmesan cheese. Okay, now we're going to finish this with a lovely squeeze of fresh lemon. And remember that our chicken was the lemon basil chicken, right? So isn't this going to be a great accompaniment to that chicken? Our lemon is in, and our fresh our thinly grated Parmesan. A little bit of that, not too much. A little bit more salt, just a touch. And a little more fresh cracked pepper. And we're gonna toss it, and then we're gonna serve it. Oh, that's gonna be wonderful. Okay guys, pasta is ready. That's a wrap on that. We're gonna get this on the dinner table because everybody's hungry and ready to eat. And guys, don't forget to leave me a comment. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do that because that helps us out so much. We'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.